my people come I wan ask on one question. Wetin make Burna Boy go talk say na who we love, na who love us we go love, no, na who love we go, no, na who we.
Now who love me, I go love. Now who love us, we go love. Who go believe?
Wetin make that boy Burna Boy go talk say na who love us we go love.
Burna Boy, I no be say na mistake you do o. Because wetin dey happen now, who you love, you no know whether he love you.
You mean say Burna Boy wife no love am?
Salewa no tell you. Edoni no tell say Salewa don carry money. Then you love pass this one o. Their love be like Romeo and Juliet. I no know say he go later carry the money.
Women no like money o. You know when they talk that kind thing. Say Salewa carry medoli money. Now wetin make this guy go talk say see me see God be that now?
Na because he don experience am. Na make am say see me see God. Because you say Burna Boy say na who love am he go love. Na truth he talk. For Medoli and Salewa, they don do pass this one. Salewa don carry Medoli money.
Salewa no be like Mohbad wife wey no like money ni.
You dey use your food.
Mohbad wife no dey follow am go show now. That one no like money. And you know say for club nowadays now most of our young ladies na them dey pick money for club like this.
He go club go dey check money wey dem dey spray Mohbad. You know that
You never go club. If you go club nowadays you go see say where they dey born. Na ladies young girls you go see there dey pick money for club.
wey dey pick money.
I swear.
Money wey dem no store.
Na why I talk say Mohbad wife no like money because you no dey follow Mohbad go show.
Na lie dey lie o. You see woman, dem fit comot your prick for night go sell am. The way dem take like money nowadays. I see one hookup girl last night. How much for hookup? If I get that one 80,000, wetin dey make to remove the breast?
It is very shameful for you to accept
People na joma woto. Na better people talk that one.
We don dey talk this hookup work sef. Wetin make our young girls come turn hookup to legitimate business like this?
I don tell you say hookup na be the easiest work wey girls go fit do nowadays.
God have
Upon all the homework wey we get for our country.
I'm happy
We get
because
people wey dey learn plumber. We get people wey dey learn architect. We get people wey dey learn bricklayer. We get people wey dey learn tailor.
Wait o, you no understand. All those carpenter and bricklayer and those interrupted wey you dey count. Na all those guys wan go learn now.
I never expected it.
Money dey this business o.
For this hookup get better money pass that one.
You mean say na money wey dem go see fast na him dem like this?
You no know say na wetin dey sweet goat dey kill goat. Na make you dey see say dem dey use dem. Pastor Sanga, wetin call your name? I get wetin I dey do for inside.
I don't want to talk right now.
This one wey dem talk say our girls na wetin dey kill goat na wetin dey sweet goat dey kill am. I hope say this one no go kill me like this.